Hi everyone, Amanda Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and thank you for checking out the All Access Crochet membership. Inside, you'll find more than 250 downloadable patterns, all of my workshops, stitch tutorials, and so much more. So, let's take a look inside. Here's what you see when you log in, and it just has our welcome to the Academy page. There's a start here welcome video that's going to walk you around even more in depth, so you can see that video there. All of my patterns are under these different categories. You just click on the category, and then any image, you just click it to download. So let's find one here. You can see all the different, like this is the blanket section. And if I like one and I want to download it and save it, I click on it, and there's the download. Super simple, and you can go to any of those. There's also the stitch library. This is added to regularly, all of these things, the patterns, the library, and the workshops. You can click on different stitches. It has a video, and then how to crochet that stitch. There are workshops in here, like the beginner crash course, the baby blanket workshop, and how to read crochet patterns, tips and tricks, and cheat sheets. So I hope you'll join me on this crochet journey and lock in that special low rate. It's only available for a limited time. And remember, you can always sell anything you make from my patterns. When I was learning how to crochet and I saw that thing at the bottom that says do not sell, I finished items made from this pattern. It was so frustrating. So I promised myself if I ever became a designer, I would not do that. So you can make and sell any one of my patterns with my full blessing. So I hope you'll join us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.